Okay, on today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to actually do the tray rollers for 1 and 2. I already got a video for 3 and 4. 1 and 2 is a little bit different. We got to go through the sides. It's a little smaller, but it's just as easy. So stay tuned and we'll get right to that. Okay, so go ahead and grab a screwdriver. You can do this through the side door if you got small hands like me, but typically you're more than likely going to have to remove the paper tray just to get your hand in, just to make it a little easier. Like I said, you don't have to, but we will do it. It's only 2 screws right at the bottom here. And watch out, the tray will drop a little bit. Get in there. There we go. Cool. So now we can remove the paper tray. Just like that. Okay, so just go ahead and open up the side door. Close this here. I'm going to drop the camera down so you can see it. Alright, here we go. So, this is tray 1, that's tray 2. You just want to put this guide down just a little bit, not too far. There are springs on there, so you don't want the springs falling off. And then with one hand, you just put it through the first paper tray and unclip the roller. Okay. And even if you drop something, there's a plate. So it should drop into the next tray. So there we go, that's the first one. And let me see if I can get the second one here. Should be no problem. Just move the clip. Oops, move the clip as needed. Back up there. Slide that one out. And then the last one here. Just like that, very easy. These rollers still feel pretty decent, so I'll keep them in. Or I might even kind of rotate them. Also, if you put the rollers back in and you're still having a jamming issue, there's a clutch that sits at the back of this tray. That does go out. So if that's the case, you'll have to remove the whole assembly and change the small clutch there. But that's pretty much it. You can just go ahead and slide these back in. And just make sure you put the clip back on. I'll actually put this in through the tray. And these rollers last forever. I love these polyurethane rollers. Saves so much time and headache of changing rollers all the time because they last a very long time. Let's see if I can get that in perfect. Just turn them until it gets into place, just like that. Put your 2 clips on. Yeah, you definitely want to remove the paper tray to make it easier. If you're really having a hard time, you'll have to remove the whole assembly, but I don't think that's necessary. 2 clips are in. Last roller here. Let's put that in there. Make sure you turn it, rotate it so it goes into place, and then put your clip on. Alright, that's how you do tray 1. Tray 2 is the same thing. You would just remove the second paper tray. And that's it. Thank you guys again for watching. You know what to do. I'll see you in the next video.